Section 3.2, we have to match an equation to its corresponding tape diagram. So we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 19. So we're looking for the one that has two equal groups of x and 5, and then all that has to equal 19. So this one is going to be A. This one, we're looking for 5 equal groups of x plus 2. So 5 equal groups of x plus 2 would be this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plus 2. So this one is C. This one, we want 2 equal groups of x plus 5. The whole quantity has to be in that, and we want 2 equal groups of this whole quantity. So if I'm looking for x plus 5 twice, that's going to be this one right here where we can see that. This one, we're looking for 5 equal groups of the quantity x plus 2. So we have to see 5 of these complete x plus 2's, which will be up here in E. Okay, this one, they've kind of switched things around on us. Remember, the equal sign it's like a balance. It doesn't mean give me the answer. It means this side is completely equal to this side, okay? So with that said, I'm looking for 5 plus 2x's. All right, so I've got 5 plus 2x's would take me back to A. Now this one, once again, they've used that commutative property that we talked about before, and they've moved this 2 right here over here. So this is the same as this, so it's going to be D. This one, they've switched around the equal sign. They've also used the commutative property from this one right here and moved the 5 over to this side. So this one's going to be E. Now the last two are going to be a little more difficult. We have 19 divided by 2 equals x plus 5. Well, if I want to look at this one, I'm going to have to use the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication, and I'm going to have to multiply each side by 2. And when I do that, that gives me a 1. But when I look at this side, it's going to have to be multiplied by this whole quantity. So once again, I'm looking for 2 whole groups of x plus 5, which is this one right here. So we're going to take that one back to D. Now on this one, we want to get the 19 by itself because every single one of these equals 19. So if I want the 19 by itself, I'm going to have to add 2 to both sides, and I have 5x's plus 2 is equal to 19. 5x plus 2 is equal to 19. Now I know the 19 is really supposed to be on this side. I've kind of flip-flopped them, and that's no problem there. All right, so I'm looking for the 5x's plus 2, which is going to be the same as this one up here. Now the second part of this says sort the equations into categories of your choosing. That's your choosing. You do need to be able to explain your criteria. I would probably put 2 groups, and I would put those that have the whole quantities being multiplied by something, and then those that do not have the whole quantity, only the variable is being multiplied by something. Your groupings is completely up to you, but you must be able to explain how you divided those up.